purpose of this video is to show parents how to use the Google Meet video conference feature with Google Classroom so that students can join into their classes virtually. I'm going to open up this student science class, and you'll see in the upper right hand corner there is a video camera icon. Google Meet will not allow the student to join if the teacher is not present as a form of security to make sure students are supervised. So if the student touches the video camera icon and the teacher is not yet there, they will get an error message like this. If I go back to Google Classroom and back to my main page, I'll need to try to log in again after the teacher has joined. So let's go ahead and take a look at what that would look like. We're going to get the teacher joined in here so that the student has a Meet to join. And once the teacher is joined in, when the student touches the video camera icon, they will see a screen that looks like this. And when they tap join, they will be joined in. After the student leaves the meeting, they can rejoin as long as the teacher is there, but once the teacher has left, they will not be able to rejoin. Now, one of the issues that many students have is when they log into Google Classroom, they don't see that video camera. There's a couple things they can do to troubleshoot that. One is using the iPad. If you pull down the stream, you will see there's a refresh, and as that circle works, and once the screen refreshes, sometimes the camera will come up. If that camera still does not come up, another thing the student can do, if they touch this icon, the information icon with the circle and an eye, it'll bring up the class name, and there will be a video meeting link there. They can also touch that link, and that'll take them right back to that video call as well. So that's something to try in terms of troubleshooting. Now, keep in mind, if both of those things don't work, another option would be to go into their Google Classroom, back to the classes, and in the upper right hand corner, their profile icon, if they go to manage accounts on this device and remove their account and then sign back in, many times that will fix the problem as well. One last thing to try if they're having trouble getting into the Google Meet is to restart their iPad. So all of these things are troubleshooting processes that can be used. Remember, the best way for all of these things to take place is to make sure that the student is logged in with their CCSD username and password, because it will not work any other way.